Let's be real, the new iOS 26 icons aren't for everyone. If you're tired of the liquid glass look and just want your clean, classic iPhone back, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you the hidden 3-step process to revert those icons and fix that weird border glow. Stick around because the last setting is the one everyone keeps missing. First things first, we need to clear the current theme. Long press anywhere on your home screen until the apps start doing the jiggle dance. Now hit edit in the top left corner and tap customize. Most of you probably have this set to clear or tinted right now. Tap default, you'll see the apps color snap back instantly. But don't exit yet, because even on default, those new iOS 26 borders can still look a bit off. If you want that flat, classic aesthetic, we need to dive into the system's hidden display tweaks. Head over to Settings, Accessibility, Display and text size. There are two toggles here that change everything. Reduce transparency. Toggle this on to strip away that hazy black background blur. And increase contrast. This makes the icon shapes pop without the neon glow. I recommend playing with these in combination. Watch how the icons change as I flip them. You can actually get it looking closer to iOS 17 or 18 if you find the right balance. Okay, here's a final piece of the puzzle. iOS 26 introduced a feature called liquid glass, and it's usually what's making your icons look too new. Go back to your main settings and hit display and brightness. You see the liquid glass section. If it's set to tinted, it's going to override all your hard work. Make sure this is set to clear. If it feels stuck, toggle it off, go back a menu, then reselect it to refresh the UI cache. And just like that, you've gotten your clean, classic iPhone back. No more weird tints, no more liquid glass, just icons you actually like. Ever wonder how to force turn off or restart your iPhone 14? Watch this video next.